Hello students, today I have brought a new topic for you and that is basically simultaneous equation. बहुत ही important topic है and you know that the two common ways of solving the simultaneous equation, that is first is elimination method, which is one of my favorite, elimination method, and second is what? Substitution method. So I'll be using these two method to find out the values of x and y, right? So you generally need to solve this either with any of the two method, okay, which we commonly use. Now see, to use the elimination method, what I will do is I will eliminate either x or y. So here if I want to eliminate x, I will multiply this whole equation, first equation, by 2. Okay, so this is my first equation and this is my second equation, right? So if I multiply this equation by 2, it will become 2x minus 4y is equals to 26, and this will be as it is, there will be no change in this equation. So this will become 2x plus y is equals to 11. Now we can do one thing, we can change the sign of the equation, which is the lower one, means the second equation. So because these two are positive, right? So positive cannot be cancelled, so I will multiply this whole equation by -1. So this is -1, -1 and -1, this is cancelled. Now if -1y and -4y, this will become -5y, and this is subtracted, so basically it is minus sign. So 26 minus 11 is 15, so y will be equal to 15 upon, so 15 divided by -5. So I will send this 5 to denominator, so 5 3 is a 15, so y will be equal to, this sign will go up to the numerator, so -3 will be equal to the value of y. Now this is my third equation. Now what you can do is you can substitute third into what? Into first equation. Okay, so if I substitute the y equal to -3, what I will get? X minus 2 into -3 is equals to 13. So 3 to the 6, so x, and this will be 13, right? So once I substituted this, what you will get? So this will be going to other side, so x will be equals to 13 minus 6, and 13 minus 6 is 7. So what is the value of x? 7, right? So this is how we generally solve the linear equation in two variable, that is we call it simultaneous equation. Now I will show you another method of solving the same linear equation with substitution method. Okay, so this is done for you. Now there is another question. This I will do with the substitution method. What I will do is I will substitute any value with either the value of x or y into the second equation. So this is my first equation and this is my second equation. So what I will do is I will find the value of x first. So 4x plus 5y is equals to 17. Now I will send this 5y to the other side. So this will be 4x is equals to 17 minus 5y. Now x will be written as it is. Now 17 minus 5y upon 4. So this is the value of x I found, and this is equation number 3. Now what I will do is I will substitute this value into the second equation. So I will substitute third into, so I'm right here, substitute third into second. See, remember one thing, that whenever you are substituting, suppose if you are getting the value of x from the first equation, you cannot substitute this equation into first, otherwise you will be not be able to find the value of y. So always remember that if you are getting the value of x from the first, you need to substitute third into second. Okay, so now if I substitute this into the second, so it is 2, and in the place of x I will write this value, so bracket 17 minus 5y upon 4 bracket close plus 4y is equals to 13, right? Now what I will do is I will cancel it out, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so the whole equation will be 17 minus 5y upon 2 and plus 4y is equals to 13, right? So the denominator is 1, so I'll multiply divide by 2 to make the denominator same. So it will be 2 as a denominator, this will be 13, and now this will be 17 minus 5y plus 8y. Why 8? Because 4 2s are 8, so this will be 8. Now if you solve this, what will become? This will become 17 then plus 3y, because minus 5 plus 8 is 3 upon 2 is equals to 13. Now I'll send this to this side, so 13, 17 plus 3y is equals to 26. Now substitute 17 to other side, like you can shift it here to other side. So 26 minus 17, so what is the value of 26 minus 17? 9, right? So 9 will be equal to 3y, so y will be equal to 9 upon 3, so 3 and 3 cancel, so it will be 3. So y is equals to 3. This is equation number 4th, right? So I got the value of y, so you can put the value of y as 3 here. Now you need to find x. How will you find x? Substitute this 4th into 3rd equation, so you can substitute here. Okay, so I'm writing it here. Substitute 3rd into 2nd, so this is our 2nd equation. X equals to 17, sorry, I wrote it wrong. Substitute 4th into 3rd, so just a minute. So substitute 4th, now here 4 into 3rd, so this is my 4th equation, y equal to 3, and this is my 3rd equation. So x equals to 17 minus 5y upon 4. Okay, so x will be equal to 17 minus 5 into, what is the value of y? 3, so we'll write 3 upon 4. So what you will get? So x will be equals to 17 minus 15 upon 4, so this will become 2 upon 4. So if you cut it down, it will be equal to 1 by 2 or equal to 0.5. So you got the value of x, so x will be equal to 0.5. So you can put it equal to 0.5 or you can write 1 by 2. Both answers are correct, right? So this is how we solve the simultaneous equation. I hope you understood the logic. You can also solve this equation by elimination method, and you can also solve this equation by substitution method. Both method apply on both the equations. Okay, so I hope you understand. Please share with your friends, subscribe.